Halo, welcome back to my channel dengan aku Mistia. So today we will learn about part of speech, jadi bagian dari kata-kata. So for the introduction, we will give you the introduction to verbs, type of verbs, verb tenses, active and passive voice, and then a conclusion. Okay, the verbs are words that express action, events, or stage of being. The example is run, lari, jump, lompat, think, berpikir, exist. In the realm of verbs, we find the vitality of actions like run and jump, the contemplation of thing, and the mere existence captured in excess. Its verb paints a vivid picture of movement, thought, or existence within the canvas of communication. Jadi verbs itu kayak kata kerja lah ya kalau kita di bahasa Indonesia. And then type of verbs itu ada action verbs alias yang menggunakan pergerakan fisik atau mental, and then linking verbs yang connect the subject of a sentence to a subject complement, and then helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. This verb assists the main verb in expressing tense, mood, or voice. Nah, kalau action verbs itu seperti apa? Ini tuh seperti workhorses of language. They denote action that can be seen, heard, felt, or experienced. She runs every morning. They loudly at the joke. They drink some water today, and then like so on lah. And then linking verbs itu to connect the subject of a sentence to a subject complement. They do not show action but rather express a state of being or condition. Nah, jadi ini tuh lebih ke menjelaskan state of being atau kayak perasaan kita sekarang itu seperti apa. He seems happy. The cake smells delicious. And then helping verb or auxiliary verbs is alongside main verbs to express various nouns such as tense, mood, or voice. Like she is singing beautifully, they have been waiting for hours. And then for transitive and intransitive verbs itu they require a direct object to complete their meaning. Intransitive itu do not require. Jadi kalau transitive itu harus ada objeknya. Kalau intransitive gak usah. Kayak she ate the cake. Nah, dia makannya makan apa gitu. Itu transitive. Tapi kalau intransitive itu he laugh. Ya, dia lagi ketawa ya udah gitu kan. Nggak perlu objek. And then ada regular and irregular verb. Ini cukup challenging untuk menghafalkannya karena irregular itu benar-benar ada banyak. Kayak regular itu walk, terus verb 2 and verb 3-nya itu tinggal walk tambah ed, and then walk tambah ed lagi. Tapi kalau irregular itu ada go, went, gone. Like run, terus ran lagi di verb 3-nya. Terus udah gitu ada juga buy, bought, and bought gitu kan. Terus ada juga teach, taught, and tough gitu kan. Jadi banyak banget macamnya irregular and regular verb. And then for verb tenses itu past tense itu indicates action or states they have already occurred, yang udah selesai terjadi. And then present stage indicates action or states that are currently happening, and the future tense indicates action or states that will happen in the future. Jadi apa yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Kalau past, contohnya she played tennis yesterday. Present, he teach English like me. She teach English, Miss Tia teach English. And then future, future they will arrive tomorrow. Subject and verb agreement itu kayak subject verb agreement crucial for maintaining grammatical correctness in sentences. The verb must agree with subject in a number and person. Nah, kayak correct she sings beautifully, incorrect she sing beautifully. Nah, jadi kayak misalnya untuk kata-kata yang present tense yang menggunakan subjek he, she, or it itu pakai s or es. Kayak misalnya go jadi goes pakai g o e s, and then kalau misalnya yang belakangnya itu konsonan biasanya ditambah s aja. And then for verb phrases consist of main verb and one or more helping verbs. They can express complex action or status. She has been studying all night. They are going to visit their grandparents. Nah, ini frasa kata kerja. And then for any question, if you have any question to clarify any doubts you may have, you can simply leave the comment and write your question on the comment section. Thank you so much and hope you enjoy and find it help you. Thank you. Bye bye.